Okay, great. Welcome back again. In the last video, I showed you how to create a concept from how to create a logo concept from scratch. Excuse me. So I'm going to continue with this. Now, the one I created was iconic actually. So I'm going to use this to create let me call it what's it called? Let me call it a combination logo. And from this combination logo, I'm going to split into parts to create a functional logo, and you understand what I mean by functional logo from what I want to do. All right, now I want to create a logo with this name, unlock. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just work only on the O, because it's easily you can easily manipulate it, unlike other characters. Now what I want to do is I want to bring in an icon and place here, and this icon what's it called? The icon will depict a key O. All right. Now, because I will have loved to put it here, but it will look odd. But the only letter here that can accept what the manipulation wants to bring in is this O. All right. So now this is what I meant. I'm going to bring this in like this. So I'm going to we are going to create this. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. First of all, first of all, let's create it. Circle. Audio control. All right. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle like this. All right. Now we are going to right click on it, convert to curve, so we can manipulate it. Now come here, then we are going to let's select it together like this. Oh no. Okay, this is what we'll do. Select only this first, move it this way, select this, move it this way. All right, you can see, you see that this place is wider than this place. So then let's increase this place. You can hold your shift to make it for it to be on a straight line. All right, so let's select only this place. Now the reason why the two are moving because I selected the two together. So let's say only this. Perfect. I think this fair. All right, so we're going to let's select the two together like this. Let's make sure that they are evenly distributed, they are balanced. So we come here, select the two together like this. We come to object, then look for align and distribute. Then let's select align center horizontally. Go back, align vertically. All right, so we're going to do something. Select this. I feel within okay, hold the control down, drag it down like this. I feel this something is not right here. Like, let's move this a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay this way. Now select the two together like this. Then you can give it a color, this color. Now let's try and word. Now immediately you select an object like this. All right, you can word this by combining. So you have this. All right. So but one thing that is wrong here is that this circle is occupying a lot of space. So let's do it this way again. All right, I think this is okay. Now you can now what I'm going to do is let's try and change the font of this. All right, now this is a word mark. Okay, like what I said before, we are creating a combination logo, and this combination logo is a logo that requires the use the combination of two two or more logo types. Like now we have wordmark logo. Now that's when you use the name of a brand. Okay, all right. So let's see the name of the brand. So then you now bring iconic. All right. So but in this case now we are going to combine this and this together, but we need to change the font of this. So let's try something else. This unlock. Okay, what feel do you want to have? You want to have this rugged feel, yeah, because it takes strength to unlock something. So if that's what you want to have, you might have to go just scroll down to look for font that looks rugged and strong. I think this might be I think this is okay for me. All right, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to create a duplicate in case something goes wrong with the original. Let's keep this aside. So we're going to come here. Okay, before we come there, just right click on it, convert to curve. Now as it is, then you cannot edit the text again, so it has turned to shape. All right, so now what I'm going to do is grab your smart field, then click this place. Now we are going to hold your shift and select this. Don't worry, just hold your shift. And the reason why I use the smart field was to create an to feed this holo with a color. So we want to blend this holo this new holo with this circle, this O letter. All right, so to do that, just select the new color, hold your shift and select this, then click word. Okay, the reason why it didn't work well because we've not broken apart. So okay, let me come again. All right, let me come again for you to get it right. So bring this now. All right, so now let's say this is okay, this is the letter, the word. So right click on it, convert to curve. Now when you convert to curve, check this third bar, call this third bar. Just count from menu bar 1 2 3 third bar. So you see this icon here break apart. In fact, it has even turned to it has helped us to create a feel at the center of the O. So we can remove this. Actually it's not needed again. So bring this like this. Now hold your shift to reduce it evenly. All right, now you can actually put it at the center like this. Now what I'm going to do now, you want to create a negative space with this icon. Now you can actually put it at the center, or you make it come out like this. That's what I mean. This is what I meant. Hold your shift, put this here, hold your shift. Okay, let's just give it a different color for it to be obvious. All right, hold your shift, then click this, then come to trim, and this is what trim does. All right, drag this out. Can you see it now? Now, or Ctrl Z, you can actually reduce it and put it at the center like this. Then hold your shift this way, then click trim. No. And let's start again. Let me see. No, something's wrong. Something's wrong with the let me see if this will work again. No, something's wrong. It's about to create an holo. Okay, this is what we do. Let's delete this. Let's bring in the new one. All right. Right click on this, convert to curve, unlock, select everything. Okay, so let's try it again. Select this, then trim. No, something's wrong. Anyways, select it like this. Now select this, then bring to the front, right click on it, order front of page. Now let's try and see if it will work again. No, something's wrong. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. I don't know. Excuse me. This is what I wanted to create. Just assume this circle. Alright. Give it color. You bring this way. Alright. Alright, so this or the shift, clear this. This is what I meant exactly. So if you put it here, you see through. Alright, so now I don't know why this is not responding, but we could actually do something. Let's give it okay. Or you could, this is what we do. We could do something like this. We could do something like this. Just put it this way. Just put it at the center like this. That's all. Now, let's now come to. Now this is our logo. All right. Now I call this like a full stack logo because it has the font and the word and an icon embedded. But let's assume you want to make it functional. Now this is what I mean by functional. Just select this, Ctrl D, bring this out like this. Alright, now you can actually duplicate it, then remove this. You have this. So maybe there are times, but this might look like normal key O you get, but if you are taking your, if you could take your time, you could actually make this quite unique to this particular brand you get. So what I'm trying to show you here is how functional a logo can be, and this is how I mean by functional. Like there are times you may not be able to use all this, all this. You just have to use only the icon, and at times you may not be able to use this. You just have to use this alone. You get, so that's it. So I believe we've gotten one or two things from this concept. Thank you.